Here's what to expect from the healthcare industry in the next years.
As the pandemic continues to evolve, healthcare marketers will need to be nimble in order to keep up with the changes.
Here are some things that you should look out for. Evolution of Medicare Advantage. In recent years, there has been an increased focus on cases of upcoding by Medicare Advantage providers,
whereby beneficiaries are erroneously enrolled in more expensive plans than they need. While this problem is difficult to solve, it is important to ensure that beneficiaries are getting the best value for their healthcare dollars.
Enter the healthcare labor market. The healthcare industry has been one of the hardest hit by the ongoing labor shortage.
Medical care is still in high demand, even after the pandemic has begun to wind down. By promoting a healthy work-life balance, they can help attract top talent and keep their practice thriving. In order to attract and retain the best healthcare workers, it's important for healthcare marketing teams to focus on creating a positive work environment.
Keep up with regulations and government agenda.
One such issue is the Provider Relief Fund, which provides financial assistance to healthcare providers who have been impacted by the pandemic. While it's unlikely that the fund will be replenished in the next stimulus package, there are other targeted changes that could take place, including expanding telehealth opportunities. Ultimately, it remains to be seen what will be included in the final bill, but it's clear that both sides are still far apart on a number of key issues.
Mental health and behavior impact.
For healthcare workers, the pandemic has resulted in increased levels of burnout and early retirement. The lack of social interaction and human contact has been shown to have a negative impact on mental well-being. While private equity can drive innovation and remove inefficiencies, it's important to remember that its ultimate goal is to generate profits for its investors. This focus on short-term gain can sometimes conflict with the long-term needs of the population, which is why it's important to monitor private equity activity closely.
Brace for more inflation. The economy has taken a beating over the course of the pandemic.
Record levels of inflation, coupled with major shifts in the stock market, have caused havoc for businesses and consumers alike.
Labor issues and clinical professionals leaving the healthcare industry are also having an impact.
All of these factors combined are putting a strain on the economy that may be difficult to recover from. Only time will tell how severe the damage will be.
In the meantime, we can only hope for the best.